In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all comments in Google Sheets. If you've ever inherited a spreadsheet full of old conversations, this walkthrough will show you how to clear them out cleanly and safely. Before we start, a quick note. You'll need edit access to the spreadsheet to remove comments, and deleting a comment thread removes the entire discussion for everyone. If you want to keep a record, consider making a duplicate of the file first so you have a backup. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to Google. Make sure you're signed into the account that has access to the spreadsheet you want to clean up. In the top right corner of the page, click the grid-shaped icon, also known as the Google Apps Launcher. From the list of apps, choose Sheets to open Google Sheets. Once you're in Sheets, open the specific spreadsheet you want to work on. With the file open, look to the top right area of the screen for the Comment button. It looks like a speech bubble. Click it to open the full comment history panel on the right side. This panel shows every comment thread in the document, both open and resolved. Here's the key part. Google Sheets doesn't currently offer a single bulk delete button for all comments. That means you'll remove them one thread at a time. In the comment history panel, select a thread you want to delete. Click the three vertical dots, which opens the More Options menu for that thread. Choose Delete. Sheets will ask you to confirm so you don't remove anything by accident. Click Delete again to confirm, and that thread will be permanently removed. Continue this process for the rest of the threads in the panel. Work your way down the list, opening the three-dot menu for each one, selecting Delete, and confirming. If you don't see any comments but you expect some to be there, make sure you're viewing the correct spreadsheet and that you're signed in with the right account. Also remember that comments are different from notes. Notes appear as small triangles in cells and are cleared by editing or clearing the cell's note, not through the comment history. As you go, you can keep the document active and keep the comment panel open so the workflow stays smooth. If you delete a thread by mistake, use Undo right away to reverse it. When the panel is empty, you've successfully removed all comments from the file. That's it. You've opened Google Sheets, accessed the comment history, deleted each thread with the three-dot menu, confirmed the deletions, and repeated until everything was cleared. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning.